Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your headphones Sony LinkBuds. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case, and after that press and hold connectional button at the back of your charging case for at least 15 seconds until this LED light it starts flashing red. Here we go. Now close the charging case, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, then forget the device, forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that open the charging case and press and hold connectional button for at least 3 seconds. This LED light should be blue, yeah, and I have it, finally. And now click on your headphones at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!